Welcome! In this video, we will cover a variety of topics regarding tasks and panels. Specifically, we'll discuss the tasks menu, searching, setting favorites, and the panel explorer. The tasks menu is the main access point for all application panels and commonly used tools in MS Maestro. Under Tasks, Materials, you will find the main 7 branches of available panels: Structure Builders, Enumeration, Quantum Mechanics, Classical Mechanics, Informatics, Polymorph Prediction, and Tools. For example, if you are interested in performing basic molecular dynamics, you should go to Tasks, Materials, Classical Mechanics, MD Simulations, MD Multistage Workflow. The Tasks menu includes over 200 materials science-related panels. The Tasks menu also has a built-in search function, which can be used to find panels by keywords. For example, searching for multistage, we can access the previously mentioned panel easily. The list of panels below Browse All are recently visited panels. Your list may be different from the one shown here, and it will update as you use MS Maestro. If there are some panels which are used frequently, you can save them to your toolbar to avoid having to access them from the Tasks menu repeatedly. Simply click the star that appears next to any panel name in the Tasks menu, and that panel will then appear in your toolbar in all future MS Maestro sessions and is accessible directly from there. Lastly, we will have a look at the Panel Explorer, which can help you find panels related to your interest. You can filter all available materials science panels by scientific application, methodology, chemistry, products, and additional search terms. Clicking Find Matching Panels will then list relevant panels and additional information. You can see if the required licenses are available and directly open panels or their documentation from here. You should now be comfortable with finding and exploring the panels relevant to your research in MS Maestro.